Hi friends, my name is Kailash Sharma. I am going to show you the demo of Random Row Selector tool. Let me give you a brief about this tool first. Random Row Selector tool is an MS Excel based tool which can be used to pick random or stratified samples from the set of records available in Excel. So let's have a look at the tool. So here is the tool. Let's go through the instructions first. It mentions few instructions on the yellow section. It says please keep column A and B empty. So why these columns are left as empty is because these columns are used by the tool through the coding to manage and find the samples. And it also says column C should not have any empty record. That means this column C, which can be anything, but it should not have any empty data, something like this. So if it has got the data like this, then it will be a problem. So for the purpose of demo, we have some sample data. It doesn't matter that what kind of data you have. It should be in tabular format, in Excel format. The header can be placed in row number 4, and then you can place the data. The only thing you need to ensure is keeping column A and B empty, and column C, which is used, should not have any empty records. Okay, so how many records we have? Let's see. So we have records up to 204 row. That means we have got around 200 records here. Okay, so we will click on open the tool, and here are two options which are coming. Let's have a look at the first one, random selection. So what does it mean is that out of the total records that you have, you want to select, let's say, any 20 records randomly. So what the tool is going to do is, the tool is going to actually randomly pick 20 records, and then it will populate in a sheet. So you can see these records which have come, and these have been marked in green color as well. So you can see there are 20 records which have been marked, and there is also a filter. You can see, you can remove it also. This is for easy understanding. This filter has been applied. You can also clear the filter, and you can see randomly it has picked. There is no specific sequence. It has randomly picked those records. If you want to apply the filter again, it is based on the color, like this. So that's how easily you can pick the random sample. What about stratified? Stratified sampling means for each particular group you want to define a number of samples. For example, taking any example, let's say for every year you want to pick certain samples. So your year column becomes a grouping column. So here we will say randomly pick, let's say 5 records from each department ID or country, let's say. So country, 5 records from each country. Now if in some cases one country data may not have 5 records, in that case it will pick whatever is possible or available. So let's click, says done. Now let's have a look how it has picked. For this, see, there is only one record which was available, and that's the reason it has actually picked. So let's clear the filter to understand. So for this country, there was only one record available. That's how it has picked. Let's see the second one. Okay, it has got 2 records. Let's see some particular country where we have more data. So for example, here we had more data, and that's the reason it has picked only 5 records. So that's all about this tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.